All right, we are continuing on our journey around Mirror Park Lake here in Lakeland, Florida. We're going through the bamboo forest. And you too can put your initials there. Isn't that nice? Kira. Totus. Huh? Totus. Deborah. I wonder how long those have been there. Wow, look at all these. Steve. Look at that. Come on, walk with me. Steve Martin. This looks like I've already been here. Beautiful park. I understand there's another one we saw yesterday, not too far from here. It has swans. This is a city park. Very nice. Are you a tourist? Swans. Are you a tourist, lady?
No, I'm saying hi to the swan.
Oh yeah, a swan.
Ooh, it's getting hot.
Come on, this is nice. This is nice.
Not a fan.
Come on. Look at the water fountain. Water lilies. Ducks. Ducks out on the island there. One moment and I'll zoom in. Okay. What kind of ducks they are. They got their own island. Very good. They got the water lilies. Some of them look like they're going to bloom today, early morning, I guess. Clear skies. Rumor has it there may be a hurricane coming Saturday night. Lord, you just kind of take that a little farther away from here. It'd be nice. There's a bird out there just dove into the water. It's got something. And over yonder, those are all lit up this morning, those flag poles. Steps going down into the water. Let's keep going here. As I spoke in earlier videos, Lakeland has an abundance of lakes due to the phosphate mining. It's been ongoing for 100 years. Some of the lakes are natural, some of them are due to the result of the mining. And they just naturally fill up with water with the high water table. So we'll stop here after I zoom in on that piece of work. I have no idea what it is. I'll let you go. Shalom.